Planning a trip to Cancun and want to make the most out of it? Welcome to this tropical paradise that effortlessly blends stunning natural beauty with a rich cultural history. Cancun, a top vacation destination, is renowned for its pristine white beaches and vibrant nightlife. Yet there's so much more to this gem of the Yucatan Peninsula. In this video, we will take you on a journey to explore Cancun beyond its postcard-perfect beaches. We'll uncover the city's history at the iconic El Rey ruins and give you a taste of the local cuisine that ranges from delectable seafood by the beach to fine dining experiences in the hotel zone. We'll also guide you through the must-see attractions, like the Museo Maya de Cancun and the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. And of course, we'll help you find the perfect place to stay, whether you're looking for an all-inclusive resort or a private beachfront villa. So, ready to dive into the Cancun experience? Let's start with the must-see landmarks. First on our list is exploring Cancun's iconic landmarks. Immerse yourself in the rich history of the Yucatan Peninsula by visiting the El Rey ruins, a fascinating archaeological site. Named after a sculpture discovered here, believed to represent the Mayan sun god, the El Rey ruins are a testament to the region's ancient Mayan civilization. As you walk through this site, you'll encounter remnants of ancient structures, including a pyramid temple, ceremonial platforms and columns, all whispering tales of a time long past. To truly appreciate the tranquility of the ruins, it's best to visit early in the morning or late in the afternoon when the crowds are thin. Just a short ferry ride from Cancun's main shores, you'll find the enchanting Isla Mujeres. This island, whose name translates to Island of Women, is steeped in Mayan history. It was once a sacred place dedicated to Ixchel, the Mayan goddess of childbirth and medicine. Today, Isla Mujeres offers a serene escape from the bustling city, with its picturesque beaches, charming streets, and the remains of a Mayan temple at its southern tip. The island is busy during the day with day trippers, so plan to visit in the early morning, or stay overnight to experience its peaceful side. And let's not forget the Museo Maya de Cancun, a modern marvel that houses one of the most significant collections of Mayan artifacts. The museum is a bridge between the past and present, offering a comprehensive view of Mayan history, from its glorious ancient civilization to its contemporary descendants. The best time to visit is on Sundays, when admission is free for residents and tourists alike. For an underwater adventure, snorkeling in the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second largest coral reef system in the world, is a must-do. Witness a dazzling array of marine life, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a sea turtle or two. While landmarks reveal Cancun's history, its vibrant cuisine tells a story of its culture. Let's discover it next. Ready to indulge in Cancun's mouth-watering local cuisine? Well, prepare your taste buds for a culinary journey like no other. Let's start with the seafood. Imagine yourself on the beach, the sun is setting, and you're about to dive into a plate of fresh, locally caught fish. Not just any fish, but the famed pescado ticanchic, a Yucatecan dish where the fish is marinated in achiote paste, wrapped in banana leaves, and cooked over an open flame. You can find this deliciousness at many beachside seafood spots, but don't stop there. The ceviche is a must-try. This dish, made of raw fish cured in lime juice and spiced with chili peppers, onions, and cilantro, is a refreshing treat that you can find almost everywhere in Cancun. Now, for those with a penchant for upscale dining, the hotel zone is your haven. Here, international and Mexican fusion cuisines take center stage. One dish that stands out is cochinita pibil, a slow-roasted pork dish marinated in citrus juice and annatto seeds, wrapped in banana leaves and then cooked in a pit oven. The result? A tender, flavorful, and absolutely unforgettable eating experience. But let's not forget about the chiles en nogada. This patriotic dish, representing the colors of the Mexican flag, consists of poblano chiles filled with a mixture of meat and dried fruit, topped with a creamy walnut sauce, and sprinkled with pomegranate seeds. It's a feast for the eyes as much as it is for the palate. And for dessert, flan napolitano, yummy. This creamy custard with a soft caramel topping is a sweet end to any meal. Whether you're a seafood lover, a fan of upscale dining, or simply someone who loves to try new and exciting dishes, Cancun's cuisine will not disappoint. From the beach to the hotel zone, Every meal is an opportunity to explore the rich culinary tapestry of this fantastic city. With your palate pleased, it's time to feast your eyes on Cancun's other attractions. Cancun isn't just about beaches and food, it's also about breathtaking sights and adventure. Now, let's dive into an underwater world of wonder at the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second largest coral reef system in the world. Snorkeling here is an experience like no other, with vibrant corals, exotic fish, and crystal-clear waters. A word to the wise: always book your snorkeling trips with certified operators who prioritize both your safety and the preservation of this precious ecosystem. As you emerge from the aquatic spectacle, let's dry off and head to the Museo Maya de Cancun. This remarkable museum is home to some of the most significant Mayan artifacts in the world. It's not just the collection that's impressive. The museum itself is an architectural marvel, designed to blend seamlessly with the surrounding tropical landscape. Before you go, make sure to check the museum's schedule, as it often hosts special exhibitions and events that delve even deeper into the fascinating Mayan culture. Now, let's talk practicalities. Both the snorkeling and museum visit can be booked online or at local tour operators in Cancun. For the museum, consider going early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid the peak tourist hours. For snorkeling, morning trips are usually calmer with better visibility. Always remember to bring sun protection, stay hydrated, and respect the rules set by the operators and museum staff. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not combine these two experiences into one epic day? Start with a morning snorkeling session, then head to the museum in the afternoon. It's a perfect blend of Cancun's natural and cultural charms. But let's not forget, exploring Cancun is not a race. Take your time, soak in the sights, and embrace the adventure. Cancun is a city that rewards those who explore, who seek out the extraordinary, and who aren't afraid to dive into the unknown. After a day full of adventure, you'll need a comfortable place to rest. Let's find you the perfect accommodation. Finding the right place to stay can make your Cancun trip even more memorable. Here, the accommodation options are as diverse as the shimmering hues of the Caribbean Sea, catering to every traveler's taste, budget, and dreams. Let's start with all-inclusive resorts, the epitome of luxury and convenience. These resorts often come with a higher price tag, but they offer an unmatched level of service. Imagine waking up to a breakfast buffet laid out like a feast, spending your day lounging by the pool, or exploring the resort's private beach, and ending with a gourmet dinner at a 5-star restaurant, all without leaving the premises. Now that's what we call vacationing in style. For those who crave a more intimate and personal experience, private beachfront villas are the way to go. These homes away from home offer stunning ocean views, private pools, and a sense of seclusion that can't be found in larger resorts. Picture yourself here. You're sipping your morning coffee on your private terrace as the sun rises, painting the sky in shades of gold and pink. You spend your day soaking up the sun on your secluded patch of sand, only interrupted by the occasional dip in your private pool. When booking your stay, consider factors like proximity to attractions, transportation options, and your itinerary. If you're planning to spend most of your time exploring the city, a centrally located hotel might be your best bet. On the other hand, if relaxation is your top priority, a resort or villa slightly away from the hustle and bustle could be the perfect fit. Also, don't forget to check reviews and ratings before making your final decision. These can give you valuable insights into the quality of service, cleanliness, and overall experience at a particular place. Choosing where to stay is an essential part of your Cancun vacation planning. Whether you opt for the all-inclusive luxury of a resort or the privacy of a beachfront villa, you're sure to find a place that feels like your personal paradise. Now that you're equipped with the best of Cancun, all that's left is to pack your bags and start your adventure. So, let's recap everything we've covered about your upcoming Cancun adventure. We've embarked on a virtual journey through Cancun's iconic landmarks, including the storied El Rey ruins and the captivating Isla Mujeres, offering insights on the best times to visit to dodge the tourist rush. We've also whetted our appetites with Cancun's diverse culinary scene, from the freshest seafood spots dotting the beach to the upscale dining experiences nestled in the hotel zone. Not forgetting the additional must-see attractions like the Museo Maya de Cancun and the breathtaking Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. And of course, we've explored a bevy of accommodation options to suit every traveler's taste and budget, from all-inclusive resorts to private beachfront villas. We've also thrown in some practical advice for navigating the city, respecting local customs, and ensuring a safe, enjoyable, and culturally rich trip. With this guide, you're all set to make the most of your Cancun trip. Safe travels and enjoy every moment. Before we close off this Cancun guide, we'd like to remind you to stay connected with us. If you found this video helpful and want to get access to more travel guides, tips, and tricks, don't hesitate to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel at Safe Travels 911. Your support helps us create more content and continue providing valuable insights for travelers like you. And if there's a destination you'd like us to cover in a future video, leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback and are always eager to hear from our viewers. Remember, the journey is as rewarding as the destination, so continue exploring, stay safe, and keep making those unforgettable travel memories. Until next time, happy travels.